right, anytime we are making this square over here on the right, it is a little bit, the instructions are a little bit tricky. So we're going to show you what I mean by all of this, how to do this needle flip. So basically what we're doing is we are trying to cast on for this square right here. And so we are casting on this edge of that square, but we're actually going to do the cast on in this direction, just like the shows right here. And then when you turn it around, I want you to knit all the way back. All right, so I basically just knit all the way back along what I had cast on, trying to keep that cast on tension as even as possible. And now here I am at this point. I've got my wrong side facing me. So what I want to do is I want to take my whole project and flip it. And now I've got what I just cast on to the right, my right side facing me, and that last stitch that I worked here. The only thing that really twisted in this whole scenario is this little piece of yarn right there. So a little extra twist in that piece of yarn is not a big deal. And then we're just going to knit this one. All right. And now we can pick up the rest of our stitches here on this edge to make that right there, and then work our miter